Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with 5 awesome exercises for burning calories and fat. So let's get right into it. Now I'm going to be giving you 2 variations to each one of these exercises. The first, more challenging, and then the modification, all right? So first up, we have high knees. Boom, 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 fast, all right? Using your core muscles to get your knees up. Now, if jumping is not an option for you, then go ahead and just do your high knees like this. Okay, you can do a few fast, all right, and then a few slow to kind of do something in the middle, catch up to it. But if not, if you feel fine, go ahead, challenge yourself. Maybe you can do it a little bit lower, knees a little bit lower and fast. All right, if not, this is the full exercise. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. Big breath. Next, we have butt kicks. All right, just like high knees, fast, boom, boom, boom. All right, trying to get that heel to the butt. If not, go ahead, take the jumping out of the equation and just do your leg curl, all right? And again, you can do a few on, a few off. Take your time, listen to your body. If not, challenge yourself, you've got this. And we're doing 3 sets. This is the first set. Then we have 2 and 3. So you could go ahead and do the simpler ones, the modifications in this first one and the second one, and then try to push yourself on the third one. All right, I just did this, but yeah, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Next we have jumping jacks. All right, jumping jacks are great for heart health, for your legs, your core. All right, everything. If jumping's not for you today, you can do stepping jacks. All right, together, and then everything goes out. Together, up and out. All right, you could also do butt kick jacks. So wider stance, butt kick, down, butt kick up. All right, so there's a different option. You could also do some marching jacks. All right, just gave you a bunch of different jack variations. The classic is our jumping jack. And then we have all those other options. And 3, 2, 1. Sorry, plants, didn't mean to hit you. All right, next we have burpees. Do not run away. Giving you a bunch of different options here as well. All right, full burpee. We have a jump up, reach down, jumping out into plank, push up, and then repeat. Oh, jumping in and up. There we go. There's the complete one. If that's not for you today, up, touch, step. All right, don't have to do the push-up, or you can, and then coming back up. And if that's not still for you today, all right, you can go up and down, up and down, and just practice that. All right, if not, jump down, jump out, push up. All right, jump in and repeat. And 3, 2, 1, and up. All right, you can also do an inchworm. All right, another variation before we move on. Coming up, coming down to the floor, stepping out, walking out, and then walking back in. Reach up. All right, that's another option for you. All right, so don't just skip this one. Find something that works for you. You'll get stronger over time. Last but not least, taking it down to the floor. All right, in plank position, we have mountain climbers. Knee to elbow. Quick, 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 quick. All right, if that's not for you today, you're gonna do mountain steps. Stepping towards your hand, back into plank, and then the other side. All right, and if mountain steps are still not for you, then go ahead and just hold a plank. All right, holding the plank here, or you can even hold a bear plank like so. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Set 1. All right, take a big breath. Alrighty, set number 2, starting with our high knees. Let's get it. You got this.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Together, shake it out. Very good. Butt kicks. Let's go. Ten more seconds. Push through. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Wiggle it out. Jumping jacks, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Big breath. Burpees, you got this. Find what works for you. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and up. Very good. Big breath. Move those arms, move those knees on the floor, ending strong with mountain climbers. And let's go. Ten more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Gently come down. Big breath. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job. We're almost there. One more to go. Up on our feet. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Together, shake it out. Very good. Butt kicks. Let's go. Ten more seconds. Push through. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Wiggle it out. Jumping jacks, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Big breath. Burpees, you got this. Find what works for you. Ten more seconds. Three, 2, 1, and up. Very good. Big breath. Move those arms, move those knees on the floor, ending strong with mountain climbers. And let's go. Ten more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Gently come down. Big breath. Alrighty, my beautiful people. Wow, we did it. 3 sets of these 5 fat burning exercises. I am dead, out of breath, sweating. I feel great, energy flowing through my body. I hope you are too, so let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Which move was your favorite? And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.